Hi children, today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject term 3 lesson 3 air we breathe. Today you will learn about a new topic global warming. This is one of the effects of air pollution. In last topic we studied about pollution and one type of air pollutions. Let us brief about the global warming. This changes the climatic conditions of different regions of the world. It also causes disturbances in agriculture and food production. Melting of snow cap and increases in sea levels are the consequences of global warming. Once again, melting of snow caps and increasing the sea levels. These two causes are increasing the consequence of global warming. Let us brief about the global warming. Global warming, it refers to an average increase in the temperature of the atmosphere, or simply it is the warming of the earth. Global warming. The greenhouse effect is caused due to increase in the air pollutants and it results in the average increase of temperature of the atmosphere. This is called as global warming. Effects of global warming. The following are the effects of global warming. The first one, melting of ice cap and glaciers. Melting of ice caps and glaciers. Second one, increase in floods, soil erosion and unseasonal rains. Second one, increase in floods, soil erosion and unseasonal rains. Next one, loss of biodiversity due to extinction of coral reefs and other key species. Then last one, spreading of waterborne and insect-borne diseases. These are the effects of global warming. Next, preventive measures. Prevention of global warming. In order to save the earth and its resources, we need to take certain measures. Some of the measures are given. The first one, reducing in the use of fossil fuels. Reducing in the use of fossil fuels. Fossil fuel means using coal, petroleum and natural gas. These fuels are used in vehicles, all the electronics. So, reducing in the use of fossil fuels. Next, planting more trees. Next one, planting more trees. Next one, controlling deforestation. Controlling deforestation. Restricting the use of CFCs. The next one, reducing, reusing and recycling resources using renewable energy resources. Using renewable energy resources. Global warming refers to the rise in global temperature due to mainly to the increasing concentrations of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Once again, global warming refers to rise in global temperatures due to mainly increasing the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. The greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, chlorofluorocarbon, etc. The increase in the level of these gases result in the gradual increase of temperature of the Earth's surface. Stop global warming. Global warming is one of the biggest problems the world is currently facing. Temperatures continue to rise year after year, causing the polar ice caps to melt and sea levels to rise, which could cause major flooding of our towns and cities. Humans are one of the biggest causes of global warming. Humans are one of the biggest causes of global warming. There are a few things we can do to help prevent climate change. Walk or cycle to school instead of traveling by car. Cars emit gases which are harmful to the environment. Reduce, reuse and recycle. Try to cut down on the materials that you buy and reuse or recycle the ones that you do buy if possible. Switch off your TVs and computers if you are not using them, as well as all light switches if they do not need to be on. Okay students, I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening students.